How you guys doing? This is Sam with Vintage Ukulele, and today let's talk about an ukulele that was built in Hawaii by a Hawaii luthier but was sold in LA. We are going to talk about a Maikai ukulele that was distributed by Schireson Brothers. Today we're talking about a Maikai, one that you rarely hear about. It was made by Hawaiian Mahogany Company on Oahu. Hawaii Mahogany Company was the company of CQ Hop. And he not only produced ukuleles and curios, he also was an entrepreneur. He owned supermarkets. He owned land on Maui and the Big Island, cattle ranches. He actually started off as a butcher when he first came to the islands in 1880s, 1879, right around there. He became a butcher to start off and progressed into owning large supermarkets, and then owning lumber yards, and then building ukuleles and curios. So one of his ukuleles, his models, was called an Echo, and Echo had this little tiny resonator inside, a little piece of wood with two little wires attached to it, kind of almost like a little catfish, and it helped resonate the tone. They were also wider too, or fatter at the bottom. So this particular model, Maikai, was produced for the Schireson brothers. They owned a large instrument company in Los Angeles, and what they did was they produced, or had produced for them, this ukulele with this branding, and it's labeled internally Schireson Brothers. So beautiful instrument. It is a Hawaiian-made ukulele, but sold on the mainland. So you can take a look at it. There we go. So, not sure if that's the original bridge, as it looks to be a little newer, but it's almost correct. So, here's the label. This ukulele has had some work on it. As you can see, it does have more modern friction tuners, something more around like the 1950s. There you go, 12 frets, 3 circles around the sound hole. It does have an internal label. And then beautiful koa, little bit of flame there. So, and then the bottom heel. So this one is also a Spanish style. Spanish style being the ukulele side, neck, as well as back plate are all locked together, and the back plate is locking it all three and is covering it over. So you can see a little bit of wood design there. So anyway, this is a Schireson Maikai, and anyway, we're gonna date this one early 1920s, and beautiful ukulele. This one is staying within the collection. So anyway, if you have a Maikai or an Echo or even a mai-kai, which are all made by Hawaiian Mahogany Company, you know, comment below. And while you're at it, make sure you like, share, hit that subscription button and notification button. So, you know, when we produce another video and bring out another ukulele out of the collection, you'll be one of the first to see it. So, anyway, hope you enjoyed this video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one.